Shadows twist beyond my sight. Ghosts are dancing in the night. Airways heavy, hard to breathe. A chilling hand grips my sleeve. I scream into the haunted air. Goblins laugh with wicked flair. The moonlight's trembling on my skin. Evil's crawling deep within. Lights flicker, faces stare. Ooh. Silent whispers everywhere. Trees are cracking under moon's glow. Beneath my feet, the darkness flows. I scream into the haunted air. Goblins laugh with wicked flair. The moonlight's trembling on my skin. Evil's crawling deep within. Footsteps echo loud and fast. Time is slipping, moments crash. Eyes are watching, don't look back. Heartbeat pounding, fade to black. I scream into the haunted air. Goblins laugh with wicked flair. The moonlight's trembling on my skin. Evil's crawling deep within.
Little footsteps in the night, underneath the pale moonlight. Candy bags and shaking hands, knocking doors of ghostly lands. Trick or treat, the shadows call. Spiders crawling on the wall. Ghostly whispers round the air. Do you dare step in? Beware. Pumpkins grin with wicked teeth. Bats are the floorboards creak. Shadows dance, they play hide and seek. Fingers trace the frost on the glass. Is it a warning or a friendly laugh? Candlelight flickers in endless gloom. Echoes whisper inside the room. A mirror cracks, but no one's there. Just the weight of a lingering stare. Are they here to keep us close or drag us down deeper? Who knows? Friendly whispers or haunting cries. These are the ghosts behind your eyes. Footsteps follow, I can't escape. Walls are closing out of shape. Breath is cold upon my ear. Who do they want inside this fear? In the attic where secrets lie, I see shapes but they flee and fly, laughing, weeping, which is true. Ghosts wear masks so I can't view. Are they here